Skate park session round 3, and what can I do off the scooter? I can jump with way more power. I can squat all the way down, and I have no discomfort, no stiffness, not 100%. But the other day we did some training at physical therapy, and it was a huge milestone for me. I was just able to jump 100% power on my scooter, on feet, and then on my scooter. We brought my scooter to physical therapy because that is the plan, to get me back on the scooter, number one. And she told me, get to the skate park, start jumping, start doing stuff, and that's the plan today. I want to see if we can do 5 tricks at the skate park. We did 5 tricks last video riding flat, but if we can do 5 tricks at the skate park, this is a little bit more impact, a little bit more power, a little bit more tolerance I'm gonna have to have in my lower back. But all is healed in the back. I just think I need to rebuild the tolerance for everything, which is skate park session is gonna be good today. So let's just cruise around, let's warm up, and then I'll come up with the 5 trick list. Not sure what exactly, I'm gonna feel it out, and then we'll see if we can do 5 skate park tricks today. I haven't done a skate park trick in like, I don't even know, half of a year. This is crazy. It also feels good to ride a scooter that's not my flat scoot, just because I've been stuck on the ground, which I enjoy it, but I've been stuck, not by choice, on the ground for maybe a year. So just to get back to the skate park, allow my body to have some impact, jump, use power, allow, now that my back is kind of getting ready for that, it feels good to get on the park scoot, or the park/street scoot. We're at the Reaper V3s, and these are so sick. Probably my favorite bar to use for POV, and it looks awesome with all that color, especially when the sun comes out. It'd be nice if it did. But I think I'm gonna do one more lap, and then I don't know what tricks. I need to be careful because I don't want to do a trick where it distracts my form, risk anything. So we'll come up with something in the next clip. All right, we're going from step 1. We're gonna build back every single day. First trick on a manual pad. It's probably my favorite thing to do in any skate park, and to jump up this. Haven't jumped up anything in 6 months. So to manual this would be a nice test, to jump up and then kind of get that manual position and hold and see if my back can tolerate it. All right, let's go. Okay. Sick. Oh, that feels so good. Please take care of your body, inside, outside, everything possible, and appreciate every moment that you feel healthy and good, because this is one right now where I'm, it's a little, not rusty, just tight. But I do appreciate the pain-freeness of this session so far. And I think the next thing I want to try is this wall ride. It's not much, not crazy. I've done gap to wall ride, but I think in order to do a wall ride, just twisting and airing and trying to see how my back feels, that'd be huge right now for me. So let's just try this bank to wall ride. Kind of still feels like a lot on my back. Like, this is not even anything, and I can just feel my back just being used the whole time. You don't realize how much work your back goes through riding. And have a normal summer. That's literally one of my goals, is to have a normal summer. People grind, I think, would be next. A little tight, a little sore already. It's only been like 20 minutes here, and I can feel like I need to just be smart. You gotta listen to your body, and that's something I wasn't doing last year. But the last thing I really want to do is, you see the quarter pipe or bank that's all the way over there, and then it goes to this bank. It'd be sick to fakie nose manual from that bank and just make it into this one right here. And that would be, I don't know, I would be hyped, because that was something that was actually hard for me before I got hurt. So that's something that I trust the strength of my back to be able to do this, because there's not too much impact. It's more of a flat thing, but I want to connect the two banks and do that right now. That's kind of, I can leave here peacefully if I can get that right now. Let's do this. Whoa, this is cool. Okay, if I can just add a little bit of this every single time I go to the skate park, probably can't ride the skate park every day. I need to let my back chill and just, I'm still human, but this was cool. This is sick. And we did fakie hang 5 basically across the entire skate park from bank to bank. So, okay, progress, more progress. Kind of just feel, I don't know, I guess I'm trying to give you like true, like what I feel every single session, just so we know, you know, I'm not ready to push 100%. That I know for sure. When I push around the park right now and I jump, I just know I'm like, if I jump 100%, my body's not ready for it. I haven't done it in how long? When was the last time you saw me ride a skate park on the channel? Like go at it. Maybe a year, right? So just think about that. A year of not doing something, your body's not going to be used to it. So I just need to build the tolerance, build the strength. And I mean, just doing this right now and hitting the skate park twice a week, I think is going to be the new medicine for me. So this is cool. If you enjoyed today's session and you're just with me along this brand new journey, then I appreciate you very much. And I'm going to keep going, keep riding, pushing around a little bit, probably not try to do tricks, really just kind of pump, jump. And if you're looking for any scooter parts, and these bars especially right now, these bars are something that I'm really hooked on just because of how cool they look. And POV especially, that link's in the description. You can see the scooter that I ride and all the parts, my signature deck, signature wheels, and just grab something. If you have it already, tag me in the comments and hit me in the comments and let me know what part you have. I'm really interested in what you got and why you got it. But either way, we're done for today. I am surviving every single new day of this whole new challenge, but this is going to be good. Looking forward to the next skate park session in a few days, and I'll see you in the next one.